Hello there, Stephanie Cameraman with the Weekly Whisper. It's February 12th, 2018, and let's talk about last week on February 4th. We were bearish on the SPY below 281.66, and that was after we spotted that 35 million late dark pool sell prints on the SPY at 283.26. That was the biggest level. But guess what? We spotted an even bigger level last week on Tuesday, February 6th. We got 53 million that came in at 264.46. We were bearish all week in my trading room. And then guess what, you guys? We got some buy prints that came in on Friday. Here's my I love this Excel spreadsheet. I pretty much go through the whole week and write down where all the dark pool is trading across every sector. So on Friday, we got 26 million at 257.81. So as long as we stay above that level, I'm going to call a bottom here, but this is the key level right now, this 264.46. You can see we've been playing around with that all morning long here on Monday. Right now it's February 12th, Monday. And we've been playing around with it pre-market. So if we close above that, I'm going to be bullish once again, and we'll see what prints come in on the dark pool. Also last week on the Russell, if you recall, we were bearish below 156.93, and this has been a great short. However, we got some prints on Friday as well at 145.43, 2 million. But I'm going to be bullish above 148.11. Okay, we had 11 million there. Let me just show you right here. On Monday and Tuesday of last week, these are the biggest levels we had. So therefore, going to be bullish above 148.11. But I would only be bearish if we broke below Friday's prints, 145.43. Let's move on next to the DIA. Yeah, this was huge last week. We don't get too many prints on the Dow Jones ETF, but when we do, we have big market moves. And you can see on my sheet here, 5 million on Tuesday. That was very, very big. 243.33. So that's why we're just going to be bullish above 243.33. Now the Qs. All right, the Qs last week, we had a very big dark pool level, 163.30, and we were bearish below that, and this was, as you can see, had a big correction. So this week, though, only going to be bullish above 160.26. That's a really key level. I'm going to go to a print that we spotted on the XLK soon to show you, but we did get 7.7 million, you guys, on Friday. That's pretty big at 153.61. So I am bullish above 153.61. I'll only turn bearish if we were to break down below Friday's level. And we'll see, of course, what prints come in as well there. But let's move to gold. Yeah, gold has been moving with the market. Did you guys notice that? When we had the correction, it was moving down with the SPY, and now it's moving up this morning. We had a 3 million print on GLD on Friday at 124.50. And I'm going to draw a little line here. So we're going to be bullish above 125. All right, only be bearish below 124 on that. And also on GDX. Yeah, we had a pretty decent print, 1.5 million at 21.25. So we're going to be bullish above 21.50. Yeah, and you can see it looks like seller's exhaustion. Look at this high volume hammer. Yeah, on the daily chart. It looks really nice. I can't wait to see what prints come in today. But let's check out the gold futures. Yeah, I love this weekly chart. Yeah, I was talking about this with Peter Schiff at the Orlando Money Show. I interviewed him. He's always been bullish on gold, but there are specific levels, that we noticed, and I love when we all see the same thing. So this 1355 5-ish level, this is so key on the weekly chart. And yeah, if we can break above this level, 1400 should come pretty fast, and then of course 1450 would be the next. But this is definitely the key level to be watching on those gold futures. So let's turn to copper, Freeport. We had a massive print. I tweeted this out on my app. This was massive. 2.5 million last week on Wednesday. Okay, so and this print happened at 1801. We're just below it. We don't normally see a 2.5 million print on FCX. Okay, so this is why I really love this. Been waiting for a pullback and an opportunity to get into another swing on this. Going to be bullish above 1820. If this is, smart money buying, then we should break above that this week. So that's definitely key level to watch. And of course, I'll see what other prints come in as well. Silver, yeah, we started to get some prints on silver on Friday at $9.83. We got a 500,000 share print on silver. And I'm going to be bullish above 10 on US LV. You can see we're above that right now. Also silver, SLV, the iShares Silver Trust. We also had prints on that. We had a 1 million at 1543. Let me just draw a line there. And then, sometimes we get consecutive prints. So I draw lines, and if we're above all of them, that's going to be bullish, okay? So we had 1543, and then we also had another 500,000 print right here at 1550. So I like to go up to the next eighth on that. So we're going to be bullish above 1562 for SLV. All right, and let's talk about oil. Wow. Yeah, we had some pretty big prints on USO, a 3 million at 1198 on Friday. So we're going to be bullish above 1225. But earlier in the week, there was selling going on USO. Okay, 5 million at 1245 to 1264. So we could hit some resistance there. But just keep in mind, if we break above that 1264, uber bullish. Okay, so that's definitely a key level to watch on the oil. Let's talk about the banks. We had some pretty good prints coming in on XLF last week between 2806 and 2813. So we're going to be bullish above 2820 and even more bullish, all right, above 2825. All right, but Citibank on Friday, really big print, 1.4 million at 7313, and we're going to be, 7413. We're going to be bullish above 7450. All right, that's going to be a key level. I just want to double check that print on Citibank. Oh, yeah, 7413. Sorry, I had a little typo here. Let me just change that. All right, so bullish above 74.50. 75 is the next level. Yeah, and if we can close above that, even more bullish for Citibank. We don't normally get big prints like that. But let me just go back to tech for a second. We had a 1.2 million print on Friday, and thank you, Ricky, for calling that to my attention while I was at the show. She was texting me and all the big prints. Really appreciate that. So 1.2 million at 63.11, and you can see the technology sector has really gone up. So we're bullish above 63.50. Gonna just draw a line right there, and of course we'll see what prints come in. Oh, AT&T had a nice print on Friday. 1.5 million last week. 3606. Take that back. 3606. 1.5 million. Very, very big print for AT&T. We're going to be bullish above 3650. on this as well. We have a lot of great opportunities, guys. I love when we get corrections. This is a great time to buy this stuff at a discounted price. But before I go for today, we have to watch the dollar. These were the most unusual prints. I was screaming this out at the Orlando Money Show to everybody. Watch the dollar. Look at the volume that came in here last week on USDU. This is the Wisdom Tree Bloomberg US dollar bullish fund, and we had 1.5 million printed between 25.22 and 25.27. We're gonna have a big move in the dollar. I'm gonna be bullish only above 25.40. I'm going to be bearish below 25. Gonna give this room because it's going to have a big move. But let me just take you to the chart on the DXY. Got to show you something here. This is really an important spot. We're in between two different trend lines that I'd drawn out. This is the weekly chart. And you can see I went all the way back to get these. And here we are in between these two green dashed lines. So we're going to be bullish on the dollar. Obviously, the USDU, if we break above 25.40, but at the same time, I would like to see the DXY breaking above 90.60 to be bullish. Then we have a lot of room on the upside. However, on the bear side, we're going to be bearish below that 88.75 level. And of course, if the USDU goes below 25. All right, you guys, so that's what we're watching this week. Definitely follow me. I'll be tweeting out all the big prints that I see this week, and I'll see you guys next week. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.